In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy Anzi coin step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then click here, connect your wallet. As you can see, I have already connected my MetaMask wallet. Then go to coinmarketcap.com and then on the search bar type down Anzi and scroll down, copy the contract address. Make sure that you're using Ethereum network in your MetaMask wallet. And you can see it here. Scroll down and click import tokens, click custom token, then paste the address here, click here, click here, and now you can see here the Anzi coin in your MetaMask wallet. Then let's go back to app.uniswap.org, click here and select the token you want to swap, for example Ethereum, click here and paste the address here, click here, then type down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, for example 1 Ethereum, and then you will receive this amount of anti-coin. Once you have typed down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, click here and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up. Make sure that you leave enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. Now once you have paid for the gas fee, wait for the transaction to be completed, and once the transaction has been completed, you can just go back again to your MetaMask wallet to check if you have received the Anzi coin in your MetaMask wallet. If you have any questions about how to buy Anzi coin, leave a comment below.